Welcome to Shami's kitchen. Today I'm gonna make chicken samosa. This is one of the evening snack that you can't just have one. So let's start munching on it. Okay, so the first step is to make the crust. Let's now make the dough. Add all-purpose flour. Add 2 spoons of ghee and salt to taste. Mix it well. Keep kneading like this for 5 minutes. Then it will be soft. I'm done kneading the dough. Now let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. By the time it's resting, we will make our chicken stuffing. Add oil. Add onion. Mix it. Now add ginger garlic paste and cook it for a minute. Now add tomatoes. Cook it for 3 minutes. The tomato has cooked well. Now let's add the masalas. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala. Now mix it. Now let's add the chickens. Stir it. Now let's cover it and cook it. Add water if required. I didn't add any water because the water in the chicken was enough. I'm gonna add the cilantro and turn off the stove. Our filling is ready. Now it's time to do some craft work. Now let's make our samosas. First, take them like balls. I'm gonna roll it with the rolling pin. Cut it into halves. Look, made a paste of maida and water. It should be covered on all the sides. Now let's close it. Now let's put the filling in. Now let's close it. Now our samosa is ready to have an oil bath. I'm done making the samosas. I'm gonna deep fry them in the oil. Now the oil is hot. We will fry the samosa one by one in medium flame. Our chicken samosa is ready. Let me try it out and tell you how delicious it is. No doubt. It is super duper yummy and satisfying. It is 100,200 billion delicious. You guys also try this recipe at heaven, which I mean home. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Click on it, click on it, click on it. Bye! Oh yeah.